When you think of a great leader, who comes to your mind? Mahatma Gandhi, Ratan Tata, perhaps Indra Nooyi. Why? What makes them truly great for you? Purpose, perhaps proven commitment, impact on society, the unwavering integrity, the actions of empathy. Leaders that inspire have always shown a path that we aspire to be at our very core. But then, what is holding us back from being them, becoming them? Let me elaborate my thoughts. I often like to reflect, double click on the exercise of codifying my instinct. I admire this leader, but I try to reflect and write down the specifics. What quality? What action? What values? And then how can I apply this in my choices, in my day-to-day life? And as time goes by, also to calibrate where have I done this and where have I not. And this way, if we can emulate maybe just one or two simple concepts from others that we admire, over time, it has a compounding impact on our evolution. And we can see this all around us, in ourselves and in others, how they evolve over time. During the 2008 financial crisis, and some of you may remember, many leaders focused on cost cutting, and of course, that made no sense to employees, and it was supported in the generalizing survival at any cost, heedless of the individual impact. But some leaders did something different. I read somewhere and was inspired that Mr. Narayan Murthy at Infosys decided to open to his employees, sharing both the victories and the vulnerabilities that this crisis creates for the firm. We know that transparency always builds trust. But why do we rarely embrace it as leaders in action? Why do we lack the courage to do that? Because the results have always proven that innovation in truth comes from many, many places. When Mr. R&D passed away, thousands of people from all walks of life voluntarily stood in line for hours at the NPCA to pay respects. He inspired an outpouring of pride, love, and respect, perhaps for the unwavering core values he stood for people from many places in society. True leaders in any sphere of life, whether it's now or in the past, have something powerful in common. They understand that greatness doesn't come from knowing it all or having it all. It comes from creating environments where their values and purpose is absolutely unambiguous. And they hold themselves to the highest bar, answerable to those core principles. True leadership is measured by building pathways that uplift others. But what's inspiring to me is inside every person, there is a true leader. Inside every challenge, there is an opportunity. Our legacy is never measured by our wealth, but perhaps by the leaders we create, and certainly by the people we inspire along the way. And if we are just a little bit reflective and courageous and patient, we can each manifest a leadership in us and become a leader that truly can be an inspiration to others along the road.